Hello, in this video, we will learn how to hide contacts on Messenger. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Messenger application. Click on the three horizontal lines. Go to Settings. Scroll down a bit. Tap on Privacy and Security. Click on Hidden Contacts. Click on this icon. You can select any person from here. Alternatively, you can search for them using the search box. Once you find the desired person, press on them. Read this information to understand what will happen to each hidden contact. Then, click on Unhide Contact. The account has been unhidden, and they won't know that you hid them. Finally, support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.